I'm praying on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals like animals. Maybe you think that you can hide. I can smell your scent from miles. Just like animals, animals like animals. Maybe I'm. So what you trying to do to me? It's like we can't stop, we're enemies, but we get along when I'm inside you. You're like a drug that's killing me. I'd cut you out entirely, but I get so high when I'm inside you.
Good morning mga tol. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Batangas Racing Circuit para supportahan si Motodeck. So, andito kami ngayon para hintayin yung ibang tropa. Mamaya ride out tayo. Let's go. ADB pala yun? Ha? ADB pala? Oo, ADB na ako ngayon. ADB mo ka na ha?
Ano, makapagkapit pa tayo doon. Tayo ano eh, tawag dito.
Palis pa lang yung dalawa eh.
Palis pa lang yung dalawa. Yes,
Let's go. May karga? Wala ah. Stuck lang to, stuck. Stuck lang to. Hindi nga makahon ng ano, 80. Wala din. Oo. Sa ano, Evelyn. Ito, lagi ko lang ako sa Tagaytay. Ito na yung mga trupa. Motodeck.
Kalapit kami nito.
Kaya nga eh.
Ito na out mo guys.
Hey, mga Cooper shirt kami. Tingnan nyo. 1G. Tapos nakapadak yan. Mamaya, tingin na napadak mo. Yung padak mo.
Yan na lang. Pero mas gusto ko yan sa painit. Ano sa'yo?
Ano sa akin asado?
Yung malaki? O yung bagay?
Sige, kahit yung budget lang.
Sama mo naman sa vlog mo.
Teka lang. Talitay. Pipinahan ka naman kaya kahit malikot. Diputado. Doon lang ako sa'yo. Ito yung naka-elevate nito ba? Naka-elevate. Ha? Ganyan. Eh, na tayo lulusong dito eh. No? Bakasan tayo. Oo. Ayun naman, may taalo. Nawala yung ano ko, connection ko. Yeah. Nalagutok ko yung ano ko, preno ko. Oh. Nalagutok ko yung preno ko sa unahan. Menor. Tay, napatarap yung ano, napatarap yung biret. Let's go, Zeki! Nandito na kami! Yung team ng Tropa Cavite, let's go! Full support mga ropa! So yan mga tol, nandito na kami sa Rosario, Batangas. Kakain lang kami Lomi. Malapit na kami sa BRC. Yung mga ropa oh. Kain lang kami ng Lomi mga tol. Kaon!
Kaunta.
Kaon mga ropa. Sige po.
Magpag ka lang.
Oo, sa mga yung sabihin eh.
Tinatigay naman ni Teddy nung kay Jockey, di ba? Sabi niya, okay yung suot mo, B1, wala na ako niyan. Wala na rin siya niyan, panigurado ha.
Tip ka lang.
Ito link.
Messenger mo.
Hello. Motodek, andito na kami. Susuportahan ka namin hanggat makakaya.
Batangas!
Saan ba kayo? Yung sa dito? Ay, walo. Kasama yung backride ko.
Ay, ako.
Malalampasan eh.
Basang ka. Thank you. Let's go, BRC!
Di nalulula.
Say good luck to the big magnetic Ducati ladies and gentlemen. Let's
Saan tayo
go.
manonood mamaya?
Hanapin namin yung paddock ni Degi.
Oo, so yung padang pala yung parang tinitigilan.
Ay, makikita ko rin si Mamu. Ito na tayo mga tol. Ito na si Trupa Degi. Okay lang ko na si Trupa.
On this, this is
Mamu,
the
good
aftermath
morning.
for Scott and for Sleeper now, the final 10 minutes race. And wrap up.
Kinikilig ka.
Naka-VIP pa siya, no?
Oo. Sama natin si Ubod na yung lalaro. Dito Trupahan, Cavite, let's go. Tira ko kayo. 1, 2, 3. Thank you po. Yo, pinag-away lang ta. Ganda.
Nakaganong pa siya sa...
Ano sabihin mo kay Mamo?
Thank you.
Let's go, Ubod. Kaya mo yan. Go for the goal.
Leland Esteban.
Let's go, Ubod.
Or is it going to be one of our TSM there in front? But there goes Christian Anderson. Steve Hutto ready to either heading to the R-Ben sector. Wow. The chase up, Tracy Soyanka 170. He can max out 100 points, 100 points actually in total. We're trying to get
Mga tol, si Degi naman yung lalaro. Hawakan natin mo. Ano pa tawag dito mga banner? Mamaya punta tayo dun sa trap.
Let's go! Daw po kayo. Yay! Ayun na si
Let's go, Degi. Trupahan Cavite, full support. Let's go.
One Garage. There he is. You can see him right there. Camera's on your left, bro. There he is. Yeah. Benedict Maniquez. 1G. One Garage. Straight from the international event. Thank you so much, bro, for representing the Philippines internationally. Benedict Maniquez Moto Deck.
last lap. There goes racer number 55.
Okay, number 24. Let's go! Good luck, Degi!
Si Degi naman mga tol, po-podium tayo.
Dadali mo yan doon? Uy, makawak mo muna.
TSS category.
Warm up mga tol, ito. Nakuha na si Jake. Ito dito tol, oh.
On your wall. Make sure it appears on your wall.
Let's go, Deggy. Tara dito tayo ng...
Here we go. Actually, the Kawasaki Racing Team. Alongside the 1G1 Garage very own.
Let's go, Deggy. Let's go. Tayo na, tara. Sa kabila. Kabila tayo mga tol. Tingnan natin dito.
To see Coach Archie Alibong back on the grid. Yeah, we were able to spot Coach Archie Alibong moments ago. Fantastic to see that.
Dito si Deggy overall. Pero number 1 yung
Axel Helmet
kategory niya.
PH Racing Team collaboration.
Ayan na.
And this is for position number 2 overall. What a battle we're going to be watching in the next several laps. Isaiah Barina says, let's go. After Beth, just seen Bethany Tolentino, still the race leader of our SSLWP 300 division. And some blue flag riders. Oh, whoa. That was close. Quick reaction by Benedict Maniquez. Almost getting significant amount of contact.
Mga tol, bye na lang. Top 3 overall.
Team Bethany Tolentino.
Ang third overall si Deggy, mga tol.
Says Lorraine Joyce in the comments. Hello to Raven Ballesteros. Take it away.
Pangatlo.
He is the leader of
Parang
this pack.
pang top 2 siya, ano? Top 2.
And he is
Sa
leading
kategory niya.
Racing Team's very own Derek
Champion.
Gonzalez. There goes our young racer. Just below team. That goes Moto Deck. Benedict Maniquez on the 0
Top 3 overall, Deggy. Ay, tol.
Okay, sumuot sa mga.
Break time muna, mga tol.
Ang dami ng ano eh.
Oo, nung nakat siya dito.
Nag-overlap na
Pagdating
eh.
dito, nag-overshoot na siya. Ayun ka na, mga tol. Kaya ulit. Race 2 ni Upal, mga tol. Rainbow, Upal. Dalawa. Dalawa yun. Race 2, mga tol. Yeah. Madam, sama naman.
Ano ang kaya ko ako?
That is none other than Benedict Maniquez of the SSLWP 300. 1G, 1 Garage. are ready. Let's go. Full twisting of the throttle. Lap 1 starts right now. We can see Derek in
The one on the green number 5, that is Jack. The one on the blue, number 30, that color.
two of our girl racers in the top 4. Yeah, Justine Bethany Tolentino. We would love to see that one. Justine Bethany Tolentino versus Jack Muncho. Here we go. The one on the green number 5, that is Jack. The one on the blue with the number 30, red colored number, that is Justine Bethany Tolentino. He's still at position number 2, Trooper. Jam de la Cruz gap. He's creating over here. But Sec Yamaha Racing Team, Justine Bethany Tolentino always finds a way to get that gap smaller. And Benedict Manigas still at position 2. Here we go. I thought that was already elbow to elbow. They go. Justine Bethany, yes. Oh, she goes for the late breaking move and she gets it. And Benedict Manigas knows better. He can attack on the next several corners. Overtaking opportunity here on Bryant. Or maybe Benedict Manigas could try it out over here on a late breaking lunge. The way Justine Bethany Tolentino did it earlier. There goes Derek Tendai as the race leader. Benedict Manigas P3 overall. And in just a little while, it's going to be the checkered flag for these very fast Pirelli Cup Group 2 competitors. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Lightweight 4 Pro. Derek Tendai is for, oh, wait a minute, what happened on there? Derek Tendai takes a checkered flag. Almost a collision between Trupa and Justine Bethany Tolentino. I'm sure you saw that.
What's up mga tol? Patapos na yung araw. Awarding na. P2 si Deki. P2 si Deki dun sa kategory niya. Tapos P3 naman siya overall.
Congratulations, and of course, there goes the champion right there at the very top of the podium.
Let's go, Justin. Third place, you put. Let's go.
Speedway. What is Justine? Paige and Christine. And nicely done. Congratulations to the team in round 5 from Team 1G1 Garage.
So, ganun lang mga tol. Tapos na. So, yun. Pauwi na rin kami mga tol. Sana maganda yung video na to. Try natin kumuha ng iba pang video. Congrats, Trupa. Next time ulit. Disclaimer lang mga tol. Hindi kami part ng team ni Deki. Kami ay isang solid supporter lang. So, yan. Pauwi na kami, Trupa. Let's go. Picture taker para may remember. So yun, ganun lang. Congrats ulit, Trupa, Motodeck. Sa susunod ulit.
Guys, grabe si ma'am. Sobrang down to earth. Hinag niya ako. Alam ko, kakamay niya lang ako. Bye-bye. Niyapos niya ako, guys.
So yun, napaka-solid experience. Let's go.
Let's go.